Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm showing you guys what to do when you got real bad battery corrosion and it's so bad that even the spring is broken off. So on this one you can see there's a spring there, the battery fits in, but it's corroded so bad that the spring broke off here. So I scrubbed this with some vinegar, got as much of the corrosion off as I could. But as you can see, the battery is not going to fit without that spring there. So one thing you can do, get a piece of an aluminum foil, fold it up real tight, put it right there, and then if you get it in just right, the battery, it'll work. So this is a perfectly good toy saved. It's pretty awesome, guys. I just wanted to make a short little video showing you guys how to do that. Again, it is always very disappointing when those springs break off because of corrosion, especially in these toys that get left outside a lot. If you guys got any questions or comments, put them in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe. I'll catch you all next time.